How to sign into Newjetnet account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can sign in into Newjetnet account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open a browser of your preferred choice. Navigate to the search bar and in the search bar type in newjetnet.aa.com, then press enter in your keyboard. Then you'll be taken into login prompt. Here you have to enter your user ID. You have to enter your American Airlines employee ID. So type in your ID right here. Then click on next. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. So input your Newjetnet password. But in case if you have forgotten your password, there you will find a link as forget password. Tap or click on that link on the login piece, and then you'll be prompted to enter your employee number and follow the instructions to reset your password. Then you can log in with your newly created password. So once you're done entering your credential, you have to click on the login button to access your account. So that's how you can log in into your Newjetnet account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.